is Maya here. Welcome to our channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. Guys, so today we're going to make glow-in-the-dark slime. What we're going to need is magical liquid and some glow-in-the-dark glue. So also you're going to need a bowl to mix it in, a mixer, and a measuring spoon. Are you ready to get started? So, first step, you need glow-in-the-dark glue and pour it all in the container. Next, you're going to need 2 spoons of magical liquid. Next, then you need to mix it together until it's all hard and slimy. Final step is you need to get it out and mix it with your hands. I don't know how people mix these things with their hands. Keeping the light, the more will glow. Alright, let's check it out in the dark. Oh, it's so cool, guys. Imagine if it was your slime. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.